Yes, sorry for the disturbance. Let's do the next paragraph. It is, I would not intrude on him. I would not intrude on him a dime. Another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility in a world of possessions. People will take balls. Balls will be lost always. Little boy. Up to here will take. Who is I? Who is I? Again, I is the poet. Why doesn't I wish to intrude on him? Why doesn't the poet want to intrude? The poet doesn't want to intrude because he wants the boy to learn the responsibility of possessions. Okay. Why does the poet think it will be useless to offer the boy another ball? Answer will be, it will be useless to offer the boy another ball because the another ball can be got back. The other boy can be purchased, but perhaps it cannot take the place of the first ball because the boy is shocked because of his ball that he loved. What does in a world of possession means? In a world of possession, what is its meaning? It implies the realities of the materialistic world. The poet wants to tell through these lines that the boy should learn the responsibility of possessions. It wants to hear, the poet wants to tell that the boy will have to learn that anything that we get cannot be with us forever throughout the life. Okay, and the last line, last paragraph is, and no one buys a ball back. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes the epistemology of laws, how to stand up, knowing that every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand. First, the epistemology. What is epistemology of laws? It is the understanding of the nature of laws. It means that something that we have can be lost from us. Okay. Why does no one buy a ball back? Why does no one buy a ball back? It is a harsh fact of life that whatever is lost once can never be regained. The other ball can be purchased, but the ball that is lost, the same ball cannot be purchased. Okay. Now you are to explain money is external. It is used now. No one buys a ball back. Money is external. You are to explain money is external. Its explanation is, money is external because it can buy a thing to replace the lost one, but cannot bring the original lost thing once again. Got it? That money can be used to buy another thing to have the place of the lost one, but it cannot arrange for the same thing that was lost. Next is, well behind his desperate eyes. So, why are his eyes desperate? Desperate means sad. His eyes are desperate because of his loss of ball. His eyes are desperate because the boy has lost his ball. And the last line is, and most know many days how to stand up. Explain this. How to stand up. Its explanation is to how to tolerate a loss and gather strength to start moving once again. It means we will have the courage to face the loss and go on with our life as smoothly as we were going earlier. So I think the poem is clear to you, but still if there is any difficulty you can ask me. Okay, thank you.